Hey, how are you today?
I'm doing good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Oh, by the way, I really like your dress.
Oh, thank you. It's actually new. I bought it just a few days ago.
Really? That's nice. Where did you get it?
I got it from a mall near my house.
Oh, I see. Did you buy anything else?
No, just this dress.
How much was it?
It costs around $25.
Wow, that's not expensive at all. That's actually a really good deal.
Yeah, I thought the same.
So tell me, do you usually wear dresses?
Yes, I do. I wear them quite often, especially in summer.
That makes sense. Do you also like wearing shorts?
Yes, when it's really hot, I prefer shorts.
Nice. What kind of style do you like?
I like simple and comfortable styles.
Yeah, comfort is very important. By the way, do you like wearing earrings?
Yes, I love wearing jewelry.
Those earrings look really beautiful.
Thank you. My boyfriend gave them to me.
Oh, wow. That makes them even more special.
What about you? Do you like wearing a watch? That's a nice one.
Yes, I do.
That's really sweet.
Thank you. It was a gift from my dad, so it's very special to me.
That was a simple conversation about daily life, clothes, and personal style. Now listen again and try to repeat.